So let's go right into the Intense 5. Aisha Curry says popcorn gives her some motivation in the kitchen while she's cooking. Her food must taste good then. Boy, oy. I'm sure Dr. Dre can't wait for the divorce to just be over with. Like, he has been ordered to pay another $1.5 million in legal fees for his soon-to-be ex-wife. By the time this process is finalized, he would have spent almost $5 million on her fees, not his. That's crazy. Who run the world? Girls. Well, in this case, who's gonna run the JDF? The very first female will be Chief of Defense Staff in 2022. Congrats! Hello, Adele! Nosa, you come right out with a new boo, sports agent Rich Paul. Whew, I really wish you guys all the best. And finally holding the number 1 spot this week, Skilly Bang versus Alkaline. So, a few hours after Alkaline dropped Sell-Off, Skilly released Mission. Of course, rumors are going around that the artists are involved in a lyrical feud, but they haven't commented. But hey, both songs are trending. I don't know. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight, guys. Big up Blugo, who now goes by the name Flight. I guess we'll find out why, right? Intense soon forward.